Most of the YouTuber, filmmaker, and a person like me, which used to shoot on a run and go basis, needs a camera bag which can handle his, daily clothings and some accessories, including camera, gimbal, if it is. But till now, I was only using this, and honestly speaking, it doesn't work because it's a sling bag and you have to carry it all around. And when you are carrying a backpack, and then this sling comes in way when you are taking off that bag, and then it gets tangled. Okay, and to make my path simple, I have decided to purchase a camera backpack. And as you might know, I travel very frequently, once in a week or twice in a month at least. So it's really necessary to keep all my camera gears and accessories in a safe compartment. And for the purpose, I have purchased. Hello everybody, I am Kuntal. I am a writer, filmmaker, and a software engineer. And let me show you first what I have purchased for my friend. This this is a cute little ashtray. Oh, for your information, I don't smoke and drink, but my friend does, and he will love it. And if possible, I will show you guys his reactions when I will hand over to him. Well, we had a starter, and moving to the main course. This this is the Shutterbug camera backpack from Wildcraft. I have recently purchased, and we will do a quick unboxing and see if it will meet my requirements or not. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. And to unbox any item we order, we need something to cut this into pieces. And this time I have scissor, not knife, scissor. Let's do an operation kind of thing. Let's operate this. It is taped like a hell. Ooh. Ooh. Well, the answer of the question, why did I purchase this particular camera backpack? So in general, when I'm traveling or going out for a shoot, I need to ensure my camera accessories are in a safe place, and I have some clothes, power banks, and the day-to-day use items in a single bag. So that's the reason I have purchased this. Let's see if this can fit my requirements or not. We will review this. Okay, so this is a kind of side zipper, and this is the main compartment, and it has to safety these clicks so that zip does not open by its own, and you can open the zip like this, and it opens to the main compartment. And this compartment is completely to keep all your camera accessories, maybe drone and one lens, other lens, one camera, secondary camera maybe. And there is a symbol there which is showing that it's a camera compartment. So yeah, and it has a small zipper. This opens to another little compartment which is very plain inside, to keep your, I think this is made to keep your cards or those slim accessories. And beneath that there is a compartment. It's kind of semi cubicle, and it has this thing, whole compartment, two elastics to tie your slim accessories, and there are two netted compartments to keep little items handy, and it shows a battery icon. So this compartment is mainly designed to keep your batteries and chargers. You know, when you are traveling, you need to keep handy at least 2 to 3 batteries so that you can get the shots for the entire day or 2 day shoot, and batteries for your mic, maybe your drone or your camera. So this compartment is big enough to hold all the battery and chargers, and this symbol is showing that, you know, these transparent compartments are made to keep your SD cards and memory cards here. And this is tiny little compartment which has a zipper. I think this is very sleek, so maybe it can be used to keep SSD or hard drive, external hard drive. So that's a well organized compartment, little compartment. You know, it has a little side attached, you know, clip, so that you can either slip your water bottle inside or your tripod. Let me show you, like this, and this holds it tight so that it does not slip off, and maybe it can be used for a bigger tripods, so that all depends on you. Moving to the next compartment, which is kind of traditional zipper. It opens like this, where you can keep your laptops. It has enough padding to keep your laptop safe. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the bottom padding, and it's quite about an inch of padding, so can keep your laptop safe. And for your information, you can hold up to 16-inch laptop inside, so that's a thumbs up. On the top of that, you can keep notebooks and similar accessories, or maybe 1 or 2 clothes. So clothes, that's the issue with this. I need to carry another bag for keeping my clothes, because there is no space to really keep my clothes in here, because this is all filled with this compartment. Although these are all, you know, these are all detachable. Okay, so it has an external rubber kind of band so that you can tighten off your extra items. Maybe I can keep 1 or 2 t-shirts and a short in somewhere in here, because right now I have only 1 camera, 2 lenses and 1 mic to travel with. So I think I would be fitting all of these in 1 lens in here, other lens in here, 1 camera in here, and mic can be adjusted anywhere. So I can remove, you know, this compartment as a whole. I can remove this completely, so I get enough space, you know, this space to keep my clothes. But in future, if I would be having another camera and maybe a drone, then, you know, I would be needing more space. Where would my clothes go then? So that's the concern. Price for this tiny little compact bag is 3,500 Indian rupees or $50. So that's fair reasonable. Looking at the aesthetic of the bag, just listen to the sound. So I'm going to hand over this secret gift to my friend. We'll see his reaction, and I'll try to record his reaction and show you guys. Okay, so I have arrived at the station, at the metro station, Sukhdev Vihar, and he is waiting for me down there. Let me give him a surprise. His surprise gift. Okay, it's a wrong. Hi, Amit.
Hello.
I have a gift for you. I have a gift for you.
ये क्या है?
Please guess the item. Please guess the item first. Please guess the item.
गचक होगी.
क्या?
गचक होगी.
Okay, now open it.
ओह.
Do you like it?
बहुत खूबसूरत है.
Yes.
अभी पीऊंगा सच में. Thank you भाई. Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
Hello,
What's your name?
Arvind.
Well, coming to the final conclusion, if I would be keeping this with me or would be returning to the seller, and my answer is okay, I forgot to mention it has this chest strap, but the best thing about this is it can move up and down. If it's lying on your chest on here, you can move it down, and if it's lying really down on your chest, so you can move upward. And I have not seen this feature in any of the bag I have used or seen. So this was a quick little highlight to mention. It's again plus.